measuring the center of data. Okay, when you say measuring center of data, we have three of them. One is the mean. The other one is a median. Okay. Then one more is the mode, or you sometimes call it model. Actually, for mode, okay, mode, that means the value with the highest frequency. Okay, when do you use mode? When is mode important? Like for example, if I want to talk about shoe size, okay, or I want to sell, for example, a factory, they pack certain thing, okay, in a packet of, okay, 1 kg, 500 gram, 5 kg or 10 kg. So they want to know which type of packing is most favorable to the customer. So this is more on the value or the situation whereby the variable is categorical. You go by the category, you not go by the numerical value. Like shoe size also is category, size what? So why they need to do that? Why they need to count mode for that case? The reason is because so that during the production, they will know which one I have to produce the most. Depend on the market demand for that kind of packaging. Are you clear? So that is the purpose of us knowing the mode. Like for example, if I want to know about the height of 16 years old kids, do you think the mode is important? I don't think it's important. Correct? So what I want to know? I want to know the mean. What is the meaning of mean? Okay. And how do you count mean? So there are two symbols. If I write X bar, okay, I'm going to explain mean first. If I write X bar, it represents the mean of a sample. If I write like that, mu X, this is the mean of a population. So whatever you learn in lower high school, the mean always write in this way because the mean of the population is too big. Like for example, I want to know the mean height of 100. I want to know the mean height of all the 16 years old Malaysian. Is it possible for me to have all? Definitely no. Do you know how many? What is the population like? It's very big. So it's impossible for me to calculate. So we usually give you a random sample. So this is a mean of a sample. So the way we calculate mean is sum of X divided by N. Am I right? So this is the formula. That means in another word, you count the average. So in maths, we don't call it average, we call it mean. Because in maths, when we say average, we only take the beginning point and the end point, that's it. That one we learned in our first principle. So please don't use average and mean interchangeable. In statistics, whenever you use this formula, we use the word mean. But okay, if you read books from America, they will just use average. They don't care. American now, they don't care how precise you have to be using the word. Okay, but in maths, if you do use this formula to calculate, it means the mean. Okay, so what is the meaning of the mean? For example, if I get the mean height is, okay, 165 for 16 years old Malaysian, whether is, okay, I can even narrow down the population to male. So if I got 165 cm, so what is the meaning of the mean? That means I expect. So mean in maths, in statistics, listen, so please memorize this clearly. It's a expected value of the variable. Okay? So that is the meaning of the mean. You use that formula to count. Hello? Cannot? So that is the meaning of the mean. So if I want to give a judgment, okay, expect, okay. So that means any 16 years old Malaysian come to me, okay, I will expect their height to be like that. So if I have counted the mean, so that is the meaning of the mean. So depend on the situation. Are you clear? Okay. So now next, I want to explain what is median. What is median? When you want to count median, what should you do? You have to arrange in order. Right? You have to arrange the data in order from small to big or big to small, up to you. Correct? So the middle value will be what we so-called the median. Am I right? So when I interpret median, okay, I will say, if, for example, if median mark for group, my August intake, you all got 54 of you. Okay. For August 21 is, okay, I say 52 mark. So what does that mean? What does that mean? My August intake, $53 students. To be exact, 53 students. Okay, so what does that mean? So median means 50%. I mean, I can interpret. Okay, I take 53 divide by 2. So I got 26. So I can say that there are 26 students got less than 52 marks. So that is the meaning of median. Are you clear? So another 52, another 26 will get more than 52 marks. Are you okay? So that is the meaning of median. So I want, when I count median, then I will know. Together with the mean, then I will know whether there is an extreme value or not. Okay? So now let's look at example 1 on page 158.
Miss, sorry. Miss,
Yes?
can I ask for the median? Can we say the 26 students got less than or equal to 52?
Try not to say equal to.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
Yeah, you can, then you can also use the other way around. There are 26 students got more than 52 marks. Because median may not be one of the score. Hello, listen up. Median may not be one of the score. You should know that when you count median. Okay, now everyone, I want to teach you how to use your graphic calculator to get all these three values straight away. Okay, so can you please go to example 1? Okay, you take out your calculator. You take out your graphic calculator first. Okay, can you please press the button stack? You see the button stack? Okay, you press the button stack, then it will come out. Edit. Calculate. And stack. And test. Okay, this one, we will use it in chapter 9. Okay. So now you select edit. You press. Okay, when you select edit, there are a few columns for you. L1, L2, L3, L4, and L5. Right? There are many. So now, if you want to clear your content in all these columns, you bring the cursor up to the title of the column, then you press clear. Then you put enter. Then everything under the column will be clear. Everyone? So clear your L1. Then start to key in all the information 4.9 in example 1 into your L1. Everyone start now. I'm doing it also. Done. Okay. Key in ready. You have to quit from the this edit program. So you have to press second mode. Every time after you key in, you have to press second mode, please. Second mode. Okay, done. Okay, third, you go to stack again. This time you select calculate. Okay, when your cursor is at calculate there, you see the number 1, you select 1 var stack, 1 variable. We are talking about 1 variable, 1 var stack. Then you press enter. Okay. then it will come out list. Our list is in L1. So if you are in L1, there is no frequency. So just leave it blank. Then you bring the cursor down to calculate. Right? So you have the calculate. Your cursor is calculate, then you put enter. Then, okay. Hao Xuan, tell me what is the first value? Hao Xuan, tell me what is the first value?
Yeah.
You cannot. You are not following.
5.22.
5.22. Your friend texts you?
No.
No. So the second value?
One 104.
Yes. 104 point what?
0.4.
Okay, so there are a lot of things correct. So this is the mean. So this is the mean. Are you clear? This is the mean. Okay, if you scroll down, there is a few more. Okay, do you see this symbol? And do you see this symbol? So this is the standard deviation of the sample. This is sample standard. I will tell you tomorrow. Deviation. Because your calculator won't know whether you key in is a sample or a population. You yourself have to decide. So this is a population standard deviation. Okay. Then they tell you the N. Okay. Then they tell you the minimum. Okay. Then do you see Q1? Okay. Do you see Q1? Okay. Thaddeus, what is the value of your Q1?
4.3.
Huh?
4.3.
Okay, 4.3. Okay, Q1, what does that mean? Q1 means quarter, first quarter. Q1 means first quarter. It means that I got 20 data, correct? 20 divided by 4. So that is 5. Okay? So 5 data is less than 4.3. That is called the meaning of first quarter. Do you see median? They write down MED, correct? That is median. So from now onward, your calculator can help you to calculate. Median, median is, okay. Hafiz, what is a median?
5.2.
Okay, 5.2. Hafiz, try to interpret. Hafiz, try to interpret the meaning of the median in this case.
The there is more than 50%.
Okay, we know the number of data already. Try to
20.
interpret according to the situation.
More than 50% of data is more than 5.2.
More than 50%. How can? You got how many data in this case?
20.
20. Okay, so explain according to this case.
Half of the data is more than 5.2.
Half. What is the
10.
meaning of half here?
10.
9? I got
10.
20. Wow.
10 data is
Half.
less than 5.2.
Yeah. 10 data is less than 5.2. Or I can say 10 data is more than 5.2. So that is how you interpret. Okay, now in this case. Okay, so you can get everything from your graphic calculator. Hello, you scroll down, there's Q3, there's maximum X. So you can get everything from your graphic calculator. So everyone, this is the first skill of statistics that you have to learn, how to use your graphic calculator. First, key in the data. Quick, go to stack, calculate one var stack. Everything will come out. Are you okay? Okay, so now I'm going to write down. For this case, you look at the mean and the median. They are almost the same. Am I right? So that means the distribution of this, the distribution of the data for this case, I can say is symmetrical. Okay, if you turn to page 154, correct? You have symmetrical, positively skewed, and negatively skewed. Or not? So these are the situation. So for this case, if you look at the mean and the median for this case is almost the same. So these are the symmetrical distribution situation. Almost. Okay? Hello? Do you get me? So that is how you interpret. That's why every time when people give you they didn't give you the raw data, but they give you the mean and the median. The purpose is from there, you can interpret how the distribution look like. Are you clear? Okay, so today we learn how to key in the data, how to calculate the mean, median, and mode. Is there a mode there? I'm not sure. Is there a mode? No, the graphic calculator cannot give you the mode. And okay, if I want to know the mode, is it possible from my graphic calculator for this case? It's possible. So you can go to stack again. Everyone, are you with me? Okay, you go to edit. Or you can go to, no, you don't go to quick, quick from there. You go to stack. You go under sort. Do you see, instead of edit, you go under sort. Do you see sort?
Yes,
So,
which one? There's sort A and sort D.
okay. So if I want to sort according from highest to lowest or lowest to highest, correct? So I press stack. I go to edit. Then I go to sort. Up to you. You want to sort A, sort B, up to you, or D. Ascending or descending order, your choice. A means ascending from lowest to highest. So you just go enter, then you just put which column you want to sort. When you put enter, correct, you will have sort come out. Then you key in your column, L1. Okay? You know how to call out L1? You press second 1. Okay, then you put enter. Done. So now you go to stack again. You go under edit again. You look at your column 1. It's sort out. So you sort out from the lowest to the highest. So 5.4 appear 2 times. So in 6 also appeared 2 times, right? So the mode for this case will be 5.4 and 6. So in a given set of data, you can have more than 1 mode. Everyone, are you okay? Ishan, are you following? Ishan? Ishan, you are not in my class, is it? You see, I just randomly call. I can, you're
Sorry.
really, yeah. Ishan, you tell me why I call you. I have to call you so many times. Okay.
Sorry, I didn't hear it.
How can you didn't hear if you are in the class, Ishan? Okay, Ishan, go to exercise 6A.
Yeah.
Okay, you answer all the question 1 for me. You read the question 1. Classify the following. Then you tell me the classify.
Number of students in the classroom.
Okay, discrete or continuous?
It is continuous.
Ishan, are you in my class yesterday?
Yeah.
Continuous is measurable. Discrete is countable.
Okay, sorry. Okay, yeah, discrete.
How can you keep saying sorry? Okay.
Okay, then
Don't
the second
use-
one.
Class, okay, hold on. Class, don't use the word sorry freely. In this case, you shouldn't use the word sorry to me. Correct? Okay, Ishan, continue.
Okay, the second one. The way of the cows in the field, continuous. Maximum temperature of city, continuous. And then number of hair person is discrete.
Do you know
And
the
then-
number of hair on a person's head?
No.
No, but only one person know. God know.
Okay.
I'm telling you the truth. Okay, next one.
The scores obtained by gymnasts in a competition is discrete. And amount of water is continuous.
Yeah, because amount of water you measure in liter, correct? So
Yes,
how to distinguish whether it's discrete or continuous? Is quite a simple one. Like for example, you want to talk about continuous, correct? You just need to remember one thing. Continuous, there is a unit of measurement. Correct? Like for example, B, you measure in kg. Okay. C, you measure in degrees Celsius or Kelvin. Am I right? And F, you measure in ml, milliliter, or liter. So all continuous variable, there is a unit of measurement. Are you okay? Okay, number 2. Consider the following statistic for a tennis player. Classify each variable as discrete or continuous. Hao Xuan?
What? Ah?
Number 2.
I don't understand this.
What do you mean by you don't understand? Okay, you tell me what do you mean by you don't understand? Okay, tell me. Hao Xuan, tell me what do you mean by you don't understand? Point to me. Then I explain to you.
The age is continuous. Ah?
Continue, continue.
The height also continuous. Ah?
Okay, next.
And then the tournament wins discrete. Speed continuous. Ranking discrete. And the career prize money discrete.
Why discrete? Why career money price discrete? Why age continuous?
Can count. Ah?
Can count? How can it be
Measurable,
continuous?
measurable.
Age you measure, you use an instrument to measure your age.
No, I say prize money can measure.
Can measure. So use ringgit to measure, use dollar to measure, correct?
Yes,
So
yes.
career prize money is continuous or discrete?
Discrete. Ah?
Hey, do you see or not? Continuous. There is unit of measurement.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
You say sorry again.
I sorry to myself.
You say sorry to yourself, you keep quiet. Okay. So age is discrete, career price, money is continuous. Okay, done. Number 2, done. So who in this class still don't know the difference between continuous and discrete? You can yourself. Okay, number 3. For each set data, okay, everyone look at number 3. Okay, that one you plot the graph, you can use it. Okay, now I can teach you how to use your graphic calculator to plot the graph. Okay, so can we do part A? Number 3, part A. Okay, everyone take out your graphic calculator. Okay, clear your L1. When I say clear your L1, that means you have to press the button stack. How should you better do it? I tell you, I'm going to ask you after this. Stack, edit, select edit, go to L1, cursor at L1, then press clear. So everything will be gone. Okay, then press enter. So everything is okay. Now in L1, you key in the number 47, 49, and so on. In L2, you key in 1, the frequency. So L1 is for the number of matches per box. So L2 is for the frequency, okay? Please key in now, everyone. Okay, bring your cursor to L2, then start to key in the frequency. $47, $49, $50. Oh, I missed out one. $51, $52, $53, $54. Okay, done? Okay, after that, you have to press second mode. Okay, press second mode. Okay, now you want to plot the graph. It depends on what you want to plot. So I'm going to teach you how to plot the graph. If you want to count the mean and standard deviation, you can go to calculate again. That one is not my issue. So now you press. Okay, everyone ready? You press second. Do you see there is a blue button, the blue word on top of the Y equal to button? It's stack plot, correct? So that's why you have to press second first. Second, then Y equal to. Second, Y equal to. Can you press second and Y equal to? Okay, they are stack plot, correct? So you come up with stack plot. So you have plot 1, plot 2. So select plot 1. So the plot 1 will be highlighted. Then the rest is not. Then they ask you to on it. So you on it. Type. Okay, do you see? There are a few types. So if you want to do a histogram, then you select the third one. So everyone select the histogram, the third one. Okay. Then your list is in L1. X list is in L1. Frequency, can you please type in L2? Okay, then color up to you to choose. Everything done? Okay, after you have done this, you go to zoom. You select zoom stack number 9. Go down to number 9, zoom stack. Okay, then you put enter. Is there anything come up? How come mine got nothing come out one?
Miss the L2 how to type?
Oh, my plot
Sec-
is not highlighted.
So you press second, then you press the
You press second, press Y equal to. You press second, Y equal to.
And then?
Okay, on. You on it already, oh, I didn't on it just now. Okay. You have to on it. You have to make sure the cursor is here, you have to put enter. Then you go to the type, you go to the histogram, you press enter again. Then your X list, you type in L1. Your frequency list is in L2. You type in L2. Okay, then you go to Zoom, you select number 9. Then it will plot for you. See or not? Hello? Okay, how to type L2? You want to call out all the L1, L2 name, all is in blue, correct? Anything in blue in your calculator, you must press second first. Then followed by this button 2. Then L2 will come out. Anything in blue, you want to use the command, you must press second first. That's why the button of second is in blue. Anything in green, you must press alpha first. That is how your graphic calculator works. Okay, so you will get a graph like this from your graphic calculator. So actually, if you are doing science, you can use this to help you to plot the graph. You can use your scientific calculator to help you to plot any of your science reading. You just key into your column, then you select whatever. They only can plot a few types for you, point. So you yourself go and plot on the graph paper. You transfer it onto your graph paper. Are you clear? So that is how you use your graphic calculator to help you to plot the graph. Hello, student, are you okay?
Okay, Miss.
So today I teach you 2 graphic calculator skill. One is, okay, maybe we will, before we end, how to plot the graph using graphic calculator and how to calculate mean, mode, and median. Okay, maybe you would like to calculate the mean and median for this case. What you can do is you click from your whatever graphic calculator you have. So you can go to stack again. Then you go to calculate. Then you go to 1 bar stack. So this time your frequency list, you must type in L2. Then you go to calculate. And you press enter. So for this case, you will get the mean as 50. .86. Okay, if you are using the formula, you have to use this formula, sum of fx over sum of f. Right? So these are all the revision from your high school. I just teach you how to use your graphic calculator to help you to calculate quickly. Are you okay?
Miss, in my calculator, I actually got 50.9.
What is my 50.9?
My
Yeah lah, 867.
okay.
So if I round up to 3 significant figure, it will be 50.9. So you can get sum of x squared, standard deviation, and so on. So tomorrow I will teach standard deviation. So you please try exercise 6A and 6B. .1. Hello? 6A and 6B.1, 6B.2. Yeah. Okay. Student?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, class.